Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you want to invest in the S&P 500 using Robinhood? The easiest way is to buy an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 such as SPY and VOO or IVV, because the S&P 500 itself is an index that and cannot be purchased directly. Okay, so first thing, open Robinhood. Okay, so launch the Robinhood app, sign in to your account. Make sure your account is approved for stock and ETF investing. Okay, so now after that I want you to add funds. Okay, so tap transfer or add funds, deposit money from your linked bank account. Okay, and wait until buying power appears in your account. Okay, so these are the steps. Then search for an S&P 500 FTF. Okay, so tap the search icon, type one of these popular S&P 500 ETFs like SPY, VOO, or IVV. So Robinhood supports trending ETFs such as SPY directly through its brokerage platform. Okay, then open the ETF page. So as you can see here in the steps, so here we have these steps. Okay, so as you can see here, tap the ETF you want, review price, performance, holdings, fund details. So most beginners choose VOO, SPY, or IVV because they closely track the S&P 500, and then tap press trade and buy. Enter either number of shares, dollars or dollar amounts. Robinhood allows fractional investing for mini ETFs. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.